What's up, guys? This is Somebody TV. Welcome back to another amazing video on my YouTube channel. This particular online job researcher, I will be giving this. Let me share with you guys my experience so far on this online job researcher. You can see this is where you perform, where you answer, where you take survey, and earn reward for yourselves. All right, this is just like taking survey and earning reward in return. So I can see this ones. Let's go to, okay, first of all, let's scroll. You can see amount you are going to be getting. Not only you, as much as people that are as much as people that are going to participate on this online research job, they are going to get paid. You can see the amount here. All the amount is attached, and this amount, they are not just attaching the amount, they are telling you what they will pay. Not that they will pay you completely. Let's say this one of $30. This one of $30 right here. Let's say if you complete this one now, you'll be getting 30. You might get the $30, or you might get 20, 25, or 15. All right. One thing I love about this, okay, you can see this one. I would like to participate on this one, but I'll come back for that. This Colorado parents, sign up your team for a focus group. I would like to join our phone shopper mission study, get paid to shop. All right, I would love to join. I would love to participate on this one right here. I would love to participate on this, but let me just walk you guys through. Then I'll come and participate on one, then to show you guys how it works. Okay, so you can see all of them. The amount that is being attached. This one was posted 3 days ago. This one is 3 days ago. Also, this one 3 days ago. This one 2 days ago. 2 days ago. 2 days ago. This one of $5 is 2 days ago. This one now, health and fitness research, 2 days ago. This 100 this $10 owns a day ago. Okay, so I've done one. So let me show you guys the one I did. Let me show you guys the one I did. Okay, so let's see if this is the one I did here. This is it. You can see it 11 minutes ago. Thank you for taking the survey. Let's talk finance. Thank you for the survey. Let's talk finance. Hi Williams, thank you for taking the screen survey. Let's talk finance. You will be notified via text or email if the researcher would like to, but it will like you to participate. All right, so the reward this reward is I think it was $120 something. Yeah, 120 something. So if you participate on any of this, you will be getting reward for yourselves. All right, so that is just that. You might not get, okay, now let me say this one of $25, 125. You might not get the complete 125 because there are tons of people trying to participate in this way. So I'll give you the link to this place to sign up for just 5,000 naira, because when you sign up on this particular place, you are getting a whole lot of thumbs survey that in a month you'll be getting times 10 of your money. Yeah, in a month you'll be getting times 10 of your money. I'm not guaranteeing, but I'm telling you, this is what I've been doing. For those of you in my WhatsApp group, you can send me. I believe you saw me posting screenshots of the gift cards they sent to me via email. So that is just that. So if you're interested, just hit me up with the Telegram handle. I'll be leaving on the video description on the comment section, because my WhatsApp is 40 for now. So yeah, create account. If you have LinkedIn, link your LinkedIn. If you have working email, link it. If you have You can do a personal video introduction if you know how to speak American accent. All right. Then upgrade your employment information. That is all. But I didn't I haven't do all the, I haven't done all this one, and I'm still getting surveys. Yeah, I haven't done all this one. I'm still getting surveys. You understand? So it's not a must that you do it. It's not a must. So it's not a must that you will do it. So we go to sort. We go to I'm currently on a relevant, most relevant. So you can see thumbs up. Let's go to highest paying. Let's see. Go to highest. Yeah, you can see this one now. $700, 320, 275, 250, 250, 250, 250, 250, 250, 250, 250, 240, 240, 230, 225, and so on. So if you participate on this, okay, this one was posted a day ago. So it was posted a day ago. Let's try to participate on this one. So here now, you just read. See, one thing about this survey, you need to read. You need to read. You need to read. You need to read. If you don't read, there's no how you understand what they are telling you. You got me? You have to read. If you don't understand, ask ChatGPT. See, my GBT is on. Look at it here. Can you see it? It's on. If you don't understand anything, ask ChatGPT. You do understand? So you need to be you need to read. You need to read. So let's click on start screener. This blue one here. Click on it. Oh, it's not. Oh, I think my VPN disconnected. So fuck. My VPN is disconnected. Let me check. Oh fuck. Okay, my VPN disconnected earlier and I wasn't aware. So I have connected this. Let me go back and go and choose a different survey. Return to the project list. Then let me take this one of that one of $5 for example. For tutorial, where is it? Where is it? Okay, let's go to sort by most recent. Okay, let's try to take on this one. Click on start screen now. What is this? What is this? I'm just trying to participate on one to show you guys how it works. Oh, all right. Let's click on this one at $5. Then let's try to participate on it. Will you write in full sentence and will not use LLM? Say true. Click on next. Have you placed an online order for a print product, business card, brochures, etc. within the last year? Tick on yes and click on next. I mainly order print products, booklets, sign, etc. on behalf of business. Tick on if true. Click on submit. Like that, you are done. All right, you are done. You are done for this one now. That's it here. You are done. That is all. So if you qualify for this $5, you are not the only person participating for this $5. But I will advise you, if you sign up here, go for the one that has lower amounts like 5, 7, 10. I think they also have $3. Yeah, they have $3. So because people are focusing on those ones that has higher pay and they are getting disqualified, they might not get anything and some might get disqualification. So I will advise you to go for the one that has. You can see I just finished this one of $5 now. So let me check if this one of $20. Let me check if this one of $20 will be. Let me go for this. Start screener. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. What is your age? I use 50 years old. Next. What is your gender? Male. What is your annual household income range? 250 or more. What is your high level of education? Graduate degree. Next. Do you consider yourself to be a say yes? Hispanic. Okay, what is Hispanic? Hispanic, okay, Hispanic. What is Hispanic? This is where ChatGPT comes in. Copy. Okay, you can see the question I ask ChatGPT. What is Hispanic? Hispanic refers to a person who has cultural, family, or ancestral ties of Spanish-speaking countries, especially those in Latin America as well as Spanish self. Keyword. Okay, I think I was correct. Yes is the answer. I click on yes, click on next. With which of the following categories best describe your ethnic background? African American, black. How many adults how many adults age 18 plus live in your household? Two. How many children under the age of 18? Three. So make sure you remember everything. Which country do you reside in? United States. So I'm connected to Dallas. Which state do you reside in? I will choose Dallas. I don't know if I can see Dallas here. If I don't see, I will choose Texas. Okay, let's check. Let's check. Okay, let's go for Texas. Can't find Dallas. Then click on next. Say, which of the following items have you purchased in the last 6 months? Barbecue sauce, wing and dip sauce, bottle seasoning. Okay, salad, hot sauce. Just select 3 to 5 random stores. Click on next. How would you describe your overall approach to cooking in general? Select one. I don't consider myself an expert or anything, but I love trying and experimenting with new food and flavor in my cookings. Yeah, that one should be perfect. Next. See. Where would you consider purchasing sauce? Bottle seasoning, blend and or dry seasoning, Walmart. Is there sauce in Walmart? Yeah, there should be. Or okay, you can select more than one. Okay, cubes food, then food for legs. I think you should uncheck this Walmart and go for ShopRite. Where is the ShopRite? And go for Winco Food. Yeah, then next. I'm just showing you guys how to, yes, I would like to consider for this study. Even though without me reading these things, I have known what they want, what they're asking. But let me, because I've been doing this for a very long time now. But let me read you that. Thank you for. I think you have sent me a mail. Let me check. Okay, they have not. Thank you for your response so far. This study will require you to complete a 15 to 60 seconds audition video prior to be invited to participate in research exercise called a mobile mission. If selected, you will be. Mind what I say, if selected, You will be required to go to a specific store location and take another survey from your mobile device. You will ask to upload photo and video for this store location, blah blah blah. Tick on yes, click on submit. That is all. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done for that one. So if I got invited, if I got selected, they will email me the next thing to do. You can see my this is my profile here. This is my profile. This is everything. So I don't want the video to be too long. So I'm just making the video as an intro. So if you're interested, hit me up. I will give you the link for as low as 5,000 naira. There was a group I joined earlier on WhatsApp. The lady was giving out this link for this particular link for 30,000 naira. Yeah, that was a WhatsApp group I was in, and the girl she was even so rude. Say if you can't pay, you can. She don't beg anybody to pay, but I can't charge you guys 30K for this thing because all of us we are trying our best, and it is not that easy out there, to make some small apalapala. So I wouldn't want to take away the hard earned money you earn and at the air and come on and because I know that for a month you might get $20 from this recharge. Yeah, you might get 20 or $30 from this recharge. So if you're paying $5, it is not it's way more than you should it's something you shouldn't take for granted. All right, so I'll be giving you guys $5 if you're not in Nigeria, $5 if you're in Nigeria, 5,000 naira. So hit me up with the on the email I'll be leaving on the video description, or on the Telegram handle I'll be leaving as well. So let's get started. I'll be leaving you guys here, hoping to see you on my next video. Peace.